Hold on.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 1 mile north of Paw Paw, or near Shabona, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sandwich, Shabona, Hinckley, Silmanock, Waterman, Paw Paw.
It's like part of your head. It's like
Stewart, including the following interstates. Interstate 39 between mile markers 78 and 96. Interstate 88 between mile markers 100 and 101. This includes Sandwich Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's